Anong bibuhok pa? What are we going to do? Let's open
Box.
the box.
Open the box.
Okay, let's open the box. Let's open the box.
Open the box.
Okay. Let's open the box. Excuse me. Oh. What's this? It's it's a receipt. May receipt.
Open.
There's a receipt.
Okay.
Let's open the box.
It's the box.
Let's see what's inside the box.
Open.
Are you ready?
Go.
Go!
Oh.
Why shush?
Open.
Is it hot? Is it hot?
Open the hot box.
Okay, let's open the box. Put the box in. Let's open the box. Open the box. Oh,
Box.
okay. Can you smell it? What's the smell? Anong parang? What's the smell? Smells? It smells good.
Open.
It smells good. So open please. Alright.
Go.
Oh, excuse me.
Go.
Oh, gold. Oh, it's not a gold. Oh, thank you card. You got a thank you card.
Open.
There's also a freebie. What's this? This is only 1 year treatment from Revlon. It smells so good. This is the Tymo.
Open.
This is the Tymo Ring Plus Ionic Hair. This is the Tymo.
Open that.
Okay.
Open.
Look, Ronoy. This is the Tymo Ring Plus Ionic Hair Straightening Comb.
Open.
Okay. Say open, please.
Open, please.
Open, please, Mama.
Open, please, Mama.
Okay. Kiss, Mama. Oh, very good. What more? Kiss, Mama. Oh, very good. Okay. Let's open the box. Are you ready?
Go.
Okay. Say, yes, I'm ready.
Yes, ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, ready.
Yes, ready. Yes, I'm ready.
Ready.
Say, yes, I am ready.
Yes, ready.
Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Are you ready to open the box?
Open the box.
Open the box, please.
Open the box, please.
Okay. Wow. What is this? Oh, we got here 2 hair clips. We got 2 hair clips. It's for the hair. And also we got here a glove. Wow, nag-hair clips niyo. Good. Cute naman ang glove. A glove. With Tymo. Okay. So cute. It's pink. Oh, what's this, Nonoy? What is this? Oh, it's a glove. Oh, it's a comb. It's a comb. Yes, that's right.
Body.
Huh? Oh, you want to wear this? Okay, let's wear this. Oh, it's like this. susur ang finger. Yeah. Good job. Also yung other finger. Alright. Sige. Okay. And we also have here the manual. And also the straightening comb. Wow! Would you look at that, Nono? It's a straightening comb. It's for Mama. It's for Mama because Mama's hair is very curly. Oh. So, I'm going to use this now to straighten my hair. Okay? I'm going to use this here to straighten my hair. Oh, you want to use this? Okay, I'll wear this. Let me wear this. Oh, it's so cute. Would you look at that, Nonoy? It's so cute. It's pink. It's so girly. The design is very girly. Wow. Oh, you want to remove it?
No, buddies.
Remove the glove, please.
No, the glove. Please.
Very good. Okay. Let's remove the glove. Oh, you want to wear? Do you want to wear the glove? Say, wear the glove, please. Wear the glove. Okay, give me your hand now. Okay. Job. Sit down. Alright, so the comb looks like this. See that? Tapos ito yung mga pindutan. We have here ito yung pang-open. Ito yung pag-add ng heat and pang-babawas ng heat. Oh. Can you please sit down? It's so cute. It's a little comb. It's a little comb. Oh, you want to straighten my hair, no? Do you want to help Mama straighten my hair? Oh, very good. Thank you so much. No, it's so cute. Can you sit down? Okay. You wanna go? You wanna go to Papa? Okay. Oh, look at this. It's so cute. It's a comb. We also have here two little clips. Two clips for your hair to hold your hair like this. It's to section your hair while straightening your hair. And then we also have here a cute little glove. It's a glove. It's very girly. The design is very girly. And I love it. It's black and pink. It's very attractive. See that? It's so cute. We also have here the manual. And the product itself. It's the. This is what it looks like. You see that? Oh.
Not sure. Open. Pasa na cellphone.
Pasag na sa cellphone.
Broken.
Oh no, it's broken.
Payo. Gusto mo payo?
Ay, ayoko po palo.
Stop.
Ayoko po palo. 200 degrees. So for thick, curly, and wavy hair, the temperature setting must be in 200 degrees Celsius to 210 degrees Celsius. So since I have thick, curly, and wavy hair, I'll be setting my straightening comb. I'll be setting my straightening comb into 200 to 210 degrees Celsius. Okay? So
Open the box.
oh no, we can't open the box, Nonoy. It can't be opened now. Okay, so do you wanna take a look at my hair? So this is my natural hair. This is my natural hair. See that?
Open?
It's very freezy and it's very curly. Oh, no, we can't open it. We can't open it, no. Are we gonna do the chocolates?
Open?
Okay, wait. Let's try it. Try natin.